you don't shit. Stop. Call? Quick, warm it up on a beer.
You pressed the red? You got it. Hey, it's back in here.
Might come to you, I don't know.
Here, kitty kitty.
You gonna be able to get her from there?
I'm pushing her off. If not, we'll have to wait until it warms up. The ladder works. Breathe on the ladder. Hey, breathe.
Here, KKK.
You're far away.
No, calm down. He's coming.
Here, KKK.
Here, pussy.
Oh, Jeff.
Yeah, don't do it.
The cow's even looking at me like, what are you doing?
You're nuts. I don't trust that limb.
I don't trust them limbs, Jeff.
No, that's a weak limb.
What are you doing?
How are you gonna get the cat down?
No.
Grab a leg or something.
Come on. Come on.
Oh, thank you so much. This cat's been up here for 4 days.
She's purring like crazy. No. Stop. You proved that before you did. Easy.
Jeff, unzip your coat and put her in your coat.
Huh?
Never mind.
Hang on.
I can't arch it.
Don't do it.
Grab her by the back of the head.
I'm not going to grab the trigger myself. Don't bring from where?
She'll hang.
There you go. Okay.